Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I will tell you how you can easily change your drive letter in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Many of you are facing that you don't know how to change the drive letter of your PC in your My Computer. So for changing the drive letter in your PC, first of all, you will have to go to the search, or else you can also open run window by just a shortcut. After opening this run application, you have to type here divide disk. After you type here disk mgmt.msc, then you have to click on OK here. After you click OK here, you have to choose which drive letter you want to change. Like I want to change the drive letter of volume D, so I will click on this and then right click over it. After selecting, I will right click over it. Then you will see the option called change drive letter and paths. Then you have to click on it. Then you have to click on change here. After clicking on change, you will see different letter option here. You can choose any of the letter that you want for your drive. Like I will choose here Q. After I will choose Q, you have to click here OK. Then you have to click on yes. Then you have to again click on yes. After doing this, so your drive letter will be changed. I will show you that my D drive is now changed to Q. You can see that my this drive previous was D, now it's Q. Thanks for watching this video.